Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create bold, chunky 3D letters in Figma step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to instantly give your text some super eye-catching depth and style in your designs, whether you're working on a poster, a thumbnail, or anything that needs that extra pop. Let's jump right in. So first things first, let's make sure you're in Figma. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and launch the app or head to the Figma website. And remember, if you haven't tried this trick before, don't worry, I'll guide you through every click. Once you're inside Figma, you should have a canvas or file open. I've already got a piece of sample text ready, but if you don't, just go ahead and use the text tool to type out a word or phrase you want to turn into a chunky 3D design. Something simple like hello or your name works perfectly for practice. Now here where the magic begins. At the bottom of your Figma window, you'll see a section labeled Actions. This might sound new or unfamiliar, especially if you usually stick to the top menus, but trust me, Actions is where some powerful tools are hiding. Click on it and take a second if you need to find it, it's worth it. Next, you'll notice an option for plugins and widgets. Go ahead and select that. If you've never used a plugin before in Figma, think of plugins as little helpers that add special superpowers to your design workflow. We're going to use one of those today. Now in the search or filter bar, just type in oblique. That's the name of the plugin we're looking for, and it's fantastic for creating 3D effects with just a few clicks. When you see it appear in the list, click Open. This will launch the plugin right in your workspace, ready to elevate your text. Once Oblique is open, you'll be greeted with several settings and options. Here where you can really experiment and have fun. Adjust the angle, thickness, depth, or color, whatever suits the mood of your project. For super chunky, blocky letters, try turning up the thickness and maybe even adjust the shadow or highlight settings. If something looks off, don't stress. Dragging the sliders back and forth helps you see instant results, kind of like sculpting clay until it looks just right. And if you're not sure what a setting does, just hover over it or try it out, no harm done. Everyone's style is a little different, so trust your instincts here. And just like that, you're done. You've created a set of chunky 3D letters that instantly grab attention. The best part. You can repeat this process with any text, try out different fonts, or even layer multiple effects if you want to get really creative. So there you have it, making chunky 3D letters in Figma is quick, fun, and a great way to level up your design projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions or want to share what you've made, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.